Hello and welcome to All Tastes German. Today with sauteed beef rouladen, the quick alternative to the traditional rouladen. Beef rouladen are one of the most famous German dishes. They are one of my favorite German meat dishes too, but it takes quite some time to prep and cook them. If you love traditional rouladen too, but you don't have several hours to cook, this recipe should be a great alternative for you. For this dish you will need only a few ingredients and finish with very few dirty dishes. You will need about 2 thin slices top round steak and 2 slices of thick bacon per person. You also need yellow mustard, salt, pepper, chives and some oil and butter. That's all! You will find the exact list of ingredients in the recipe below the video. To get started, wash the beef and pat it dry with a paper towel. Chop the chives finely and add oil and butter to a pan on medium heat. Then mix the mustard, salt, pepper and the chives in a small bowl. Brush the marinade on both sides of the meat. Place 1 bacon slice on each piece of the meat. Roll them up and place them into the pan. Now you are ready to saute them on all sides until they are done and nicely brown. Serve them with some steamed veggies or a side salad. This whole dish will take you less than 15 minutes, way faster than a drive to the local fast food place, and far more tasty. Guten Appetit!